Good morning. As usual, Alex, the founder, Hi No Code. And now it is 6 and 8 a.m. And it is, I think, the fifth day of this amazing experience of development the app in Flutter Flow. So before that, I again didn't have experience with Flutter Flow. I had a task to very fast to create the app, and I did it in about 5 days, I think. Yeah, it were crazy days with nights, all nights, and half of the day. But first, it was from 0 point. I didn't build anything in Flutter Flow, and it was amazing. It was amazing. So I just fell in love with Flutter Flow at this period because so it has unlimited cool opportunities which you can very fast to implement. You have a lot of templates, you have like good design structure building, you have easy action logic and understandable, you have like many things. This in these challenges I just have the whole work process recorded by Loom, so I can prove that I developed this 5 days and no more than 5 days. And these challenges I can show you that you can, as fast as I create your app, become to be no-code developer or make the app for your startup, doesn't matter. So you now can very easy and fast go to this sphere. Really, I don't know why all people don't go to this sphere. I mean, people who now tired of existing job, don't like existing job. So many people, why they don't go to no code? I can understand. The second thing, there are so many courses of no code, and people go to these courses, like study a couple of months, and then by the end of the study they have couple of like study projects. It is fully bullshit, I think, because you will study very fast and very successful when you have your project or your like client's project, doesn't matter. So two things: find project or just take one of your projects and develop it. So what I realized again from this whole development process: do two things: Google things, and then copy and paste solutions, existing solutions, and understand how it works in the platform. That's all. So that's all what you need to do. So just go and make it. I so exciting about all this flow. I again deep in the process of development. I didn't develop like since, I don't know, autumn, I think. Oh no, like March. But in March I developed in Adala, and in Adala, so I just knew how to do that because when I started no code, I learned Adala, and that's all. I didn't improve with something else. But now I want to learn all tools. I want to get knowledge also with the project in Bubble, now in Flutter Flow and at Master and so on. And I want to show you. I want to take the platform, no code platform, and show you during the streams and during the looms how I can learn, how you can very fast learn these platforms. You don't need courses, you don't need to learn Python and code basics. Just go and develop. That's all. That's all what you need. And why I needed to very fast to create this app, and why I made a decision to make it. So first, we had real urgent situation with our existing client. In fact, like about 3 teams tried to implement features in this app, and they didn't success with that because they all built it in Bubble, And in Bubble, when you package the app to the App Store, there is no good way to record audio. And then this idea, record audio, was a very important feature, and then play this audio. So the idea, this feature didn't work in iOS when you publish the app, Bubble app. And this was the main problem. So last developer, we just implemented this feature, but I didn't like how it looks like, and I just Googled that in Flutter Flow I can do this thing, and it was enough for me. I said, okay, give me 2 days. I go copy and paste all the design, all the this main feature of recording, playing, and send to App Store. Give me 2 days. So it took a little bit more, about 5 days, I think. But first I made more features than I planned, because I added as a bonus feature is AI generating stories, and AI I think took like 1 or 2 days, because yeah, it's not easy. It's not very easy integration. It was 5 days, yeah. By scratch, by zero, without any like knowledge in Flutter Flow. I just had a design. I just go in Flutter Flow and screen by screen start to build it. Then I Google what I don't know. I Google questions. I Google it, like all stuff. Always just the Flutter Flow has many tutorials, videos, documentation about almost all. And also I had a small call with the developer, a Flutter Flow developer, like 20 minutes call, and he just advised some things. And this flow shows what you really need when you start to learn no-code tool, or if you build MVP for a startup. So just you need to understand how to Google things. You need to understand how to compile this information and how to use it. And you need to have some mentorship. It will be faster than you will be alone to do something, definitely. So if you have these sort of questions, you just go and ask, and very fast to get answers on the questions. And I want to continue to show you how I fast can create the apps by scratch, and different tools, different apps. And I'm very excited to continue these streams, these videos, and so on. So 6:21, 5th day, and it is finished. Hi, no code. Hello guys, so in this video I will try to create one of our problem projects very fast in Flutter Flow. And this problem, the main problem of this project, we couldn't implement good UX for recorder for record voice and then playing this track, and I will try. So first
Hello guys, I'm very excited to continue this app. So I think it will take more time than I expected, but I will do it. I will do it in 1 day or 2 days, I promise. Just to overview what we did. So and what we are doing here, we have the app which now is working with Bubble.io, but the main feature works of voice recording works very bad, I think, in published in test flight version. Like we developed Bubble version, used Dunkable platform for built it for iOS and Android, and so recording feature looks very bad and doesn't seem to be user friendly. And I just realized that I want to make another new app in Flutter Flow. I checked that in Flutter Flow this feature with recording works good, and I say myself, okay, let's do it in 1 or 2 days. So let's start, let's continue. I'm eating yogurt. So we for now we didn't do many progress, so we just have this we just tested button start, stop, and creating the episodes. But I just realized that we need to first create sign in, login, create story creation, and then test all functional MVP. with email. Let's call it test2@mail.ru. Let's send the password. And let's get started. Okay, we have very bad UX here, but for now this doesn't matter. It's not the main function. Let's choose grandfather, and it will be grandfather Alex. Oh, I can choose a photo. That's amazing. Gallery. Let's make this photo. Cool. It's updated. Let's go next and describe my story. So, story about Darth Vader. Add your photo. Let's add story photo, and it will be this one. Beautiful picture. Cool. We have story photo, and let's record it. Shit. The fuck? Hey. Hey guys, I'm recording the new track. Hey guys, I'm recording the new track. here on this screen we set our character, age of our child, and plot or lesson, and then we just read the story and record it.
Once upon a time, in a small town called Sunnyvale,
Hello guys, so I want to a little continue with this app because I got the correction lists and something client didn't like. Let's check it out. So first in menu, didn't like that we don't have here ability to add parents, and let's add it. So
I just forgot to show you all functionality of the app, all features, and now I want to do that. So we have our app in test flight, and now I just open launch screen recording and will show you what we have inside the app. So first I want to log out from existing account and go inside the app again. Now you can see the onboarding screens. So we just slide these screens and then tap get started. Then we have different options for sign up. So we have email sign up, We have Apple sign up and we have Google sign up. So let's go to the Google sign up because I have some unregistered account, I think. And let's register with Alex code. Okay, now we just go on the first screen when you create the account and the app offers to you describe your story. So here you can change the image and create the name for your story. Example, let's create the name, the best story, and upload. We can make a photo. For example, make this photo. Let's make it and use this photo. It will helpful if you read the book and just make the photo of the book. We can check it now, for example, and make a photo of this Lego book. So okay. So okay, we created this this image avatar for the photo, for the story, sorry. Go next and choose the parent, just who will record the story. So I'm Dad, definitely. You just can change the name here, for example, Alex, and can also change the photo here. Let's make a photo. And it will be downloaded and go next. And then we just tap and record the story. Hey, this is story about Lego book. I'm so excited because it is recording now and it works well. So hope many parents will enjoy this app and will create stories here. Now we can listen our story. Hey, this is story about Lego book. I'm so excited because okay, we have our recording and we just save and exit. That's all. We have the story. So I already showed you how to create this AI story. But let's now check the main feature, the second main feature after recording, changing to child side. So the app created for parents record the stories and then they go to the menu, create the password. So for example, it can be parent. Now click done and and now they change side to child side. And on the child side, child see only stories and recordings. So he don't have functionality to record the story, to create the parents, to like change settings, only stories. And here I have only one story from Alex. Hey, this is story about Lego book. I need to change this bug. We don't have image here. It's now still bug fixing process and we have some bugs. So, but it should be a picture of the story here. Okay, and next, and that's all. So now if you go from the app and go to the app again, only child side will be because so like the main time a child will use this app. So and for getting back to the parent side, we just tap parent here and change side now. And now we can create the story as you see and create story with AI. So that's all. That's the main functionality of the app. And also I as a parent can, but I also showed you in the previous screencast, I can create new parents. For example, can create parents. Parent will be, for example, I don't know, like Alex. we can Alex the second. We can leave this picture, tap next, and we have parent, we have Alex, and we can edit this parent, for example, change his avatar and so on. Now when we go here, we can add the track, choose the parent, and now this recording of the second parent, Alex 2, Alex the second, and save and exit, and now we can return to the child side, and we will see tracks from two parents. Now this recording of the second parent, Alex 2. So this is how it works. Hej no kod.